All right, let's take a look at number 10. Determine if the lines are parallel, intersecting, or coincided. So please understand, for parallel, the slopes have to be the same. For intersection, right, doesn't matter. Coincided, the m's have to be the same, and also the b's have to be the same, the y-intercepts, right? But notice all of these have to be in the format of y equals mx plus b, so we can look at the m's and the b's naturally. Okay, so we're going to add 3x to both sides here. You get 2y is equal to 3x plus 5. Divide by 2 to everything. We get y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. Second equation, we're going to minus 6x to both sides. You get negative 4y is equal to negative 6x. Divide by 4. Divide by negative 4 to both sides. This cancels. Y is equal to positive 3 over 2x minus 2. Oh, look, the slopes are the same. So m here matches the m here, so we can say that they are parallel. Let's now take a look at b. So b, oh, that's already in y equals mx plus b. Our life is easy. The second one is in standard form. We do have to get y alone. So we get 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 1. Divided by 2 to everything. This cancels. Y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 1. Oh, wow. Here, the slopes are not even somewhat related. We can just say that they're intersecting. Okay. C, we have m is equal to 2, b equals to 1. This one we have to convert for negative 2 minus 2x both sides. You get negative y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. Divide by negative 1 to both sides, to everything. Y is equal to 2x over 1 plus 1. Oh, hey, look, they're the same. These are coincided. The m's are the same, look, 2 and 2. So the m's are the same. The b, 1 and 1. The b's are the same. The y-intercepts are the same. So that's coincided. So the last one's coincided. B is intersecting, and A is parallel.